Good morning everyone. My name is Chitra Goswami and this video is for the summary of lesson number 123 and the name of the lesson is Navigate. The objective of this lesson is that students use direction related vocabulary such as straight, left, right and across the street to give directions to various places. For the first step, you are going to instruct the students to watch the first AV of the lesson in pairs and then you will ask what does straight, left, right, across the street mean. For the second step, you are going to have the students work in pair and then you will ask them to open their SRBs to lesson number 123 and look at the map. You will call on students to point out different buildings and streets on the map. In their pairs, students should take turns giving directions. The student giving directions should tell their partner where on the map to start and give them directions to another point on the map. If the partner can figure out the correct end point, then they have given the directions correctly. Each partner should take at least 2 turns giving directions. For the third step, students should tell their partner directions from their home to FEA and partners can switch roles for this. You will call 2 or 3 pairs to act out their scenario or role play, with one partner asking for directions to FEA while the other is giving the directions. Now the energizer, you can choose any energizer from the curriculum and you have to explain that from now on students will be the ones to lead the energizers. Give them the choices above, which are any energizer from the curriculum, stretches or physical exercises and any energizer that they have found online. Then you will call on one student to lead the energizer for the next class so that they have a day to prepare. The second part of the lesson is word order and the objective of this lesson is that students will understand the importance of word order in constructing sentences and paragraphs effectively. For the first step, you are going to write an incomplete example sentence on the whiteboard, that is Apple eats Samir. And now you are going to ask students to identify what seems wrong with the sentence. You will discuss how the incorrect word order affects the meaning and clarity of the sentence and you will share that the correct word order is essential for clear communication. You will share that English sentences follow a word order which is subject, verb and object, and then you can write the same on the board as well. For the second step, you are going to ask the students to read part A of the SRB and explain what is subject, verb, object. And after students have read, then you can check the students' understanding of subject, verb and object. For the third step, you are going to guide the students to watch AV2 of the lesson that explains the concept in detail. You will inform them that the video has a quiz. They must listen to the explanation carefully. After the video, you are going to ask the students to share their understanding on the topic. Step 4 is a practice time and you are going to end the class with a quiz. The link for the quiz is given in your FRB and if the internet is slow, you may choose the exercise given in the part B of their SRB as well. After the quiz is over, you are going to acknowledge the students for all their hard work and dedication and you are going to conduct the pledge. Thank you so much.